Have a beautiful and blessed day. With this, a very good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your science class. This is your science teacher, Nazish. I hope you people are enjoying online teaching and valuing the efforts of your teachers. Here we are on chapter number 4, Fibers, Fabrics and Clothing. And in today's video, we will understand the processing of fleece into woolen fabrics. Means how the wool obtained from wool producing animals is converted into woolen fabric, passing through various steps. The first step in the processing of wool is shearing. The process by which fleece is removed from the body of an animal is called shearing. It's like giving an animal a haircut and is done manually using razors or shearing machines. The shearing does not hurt the sheep much the same way as you do not get hurt when hair from your head are shaved off. This is because the uppermost part of the skin holding the hair is dead. The shearing is usually done in the warm weather so that the sheep can survive in warm weather even without the protective coat of fleece, and the hair grows back in winters. After shearing, the next step is grading or sorting. Grading involves sorting of fiber according to quality, length, texture, strength, color, and so on. Fleece of the same grade are compressed and packed into bundles. Once sorting of fiber is done, the next step is scouring. The sheared wool has so much dirt, sweat, grease, and other impurities. It is thoroughly washed in hot water with mild detergents, and this process is called scouring. This involves three processes: washing, rinsing, and drying. The washing is done many times through machines, and then the fleece is rinsed and squeezed through the rollers to dry it. After drying, the fibers can be colored into various colors, as the natural color of fleece of sheep is black, brown, or white. After coloring of fiber, the next step is carding. Even after scouring, the fleece is tangled and may contain dirt like small tufts of hair, seeds, twigs, straws, and etc. The fleece is therefore passed through the rollers, which remove the impurities and straighten and comb the fibers into thin sheet. This process is called carding. After carding, the next step in the processing of wool is combing. In this step, the fibers are again passed through the rollers to get straightened, combed, and rolled into yarn. The longer fibers are chosen for making sweaters, and the shorter fibers are chosen for making other woolen clothes. After this process, now the fiber is ready for spinning process. During the spinning process, the fibers are twisted into long, continuous threads or yarns. Earlier, the traditional tools like charkha or hand spindle were used for the spinning process, but today there are variety of machines for spinning process. Once the fiber is converted into thread or yarn by the process of spinning, now it is interwoven into fabric by the process of either weaving or knitting. In the process of weaving, two sets of yarn are intercrossed over and under each other to make a fabric. And in knitting, woolen yarn are knitted manually or through machines to make sweaters, mufflers, etc. Weaving process can be done either by hand looms or power looms.